Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD part modeling as well as a technical drawing tutorial. And in this tutorial we will create a model of this simple part, and as well as we will create a technical drawing with the help of a tech draw workbench. This tutorial is designed for the beginner user to understand the basics of part modeling and technical drawing in FreeCAD. So here I am using the FreeCAD version 1.1, so you must have at least 1.1 or a higher version than this. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can visit this tab for FreeCAD tutorial and this one for the FreeCAD articles. Apart from FreeCAD, I write the journal Mechanical Engineering topic, which you can read in your own language. Here is a language option. Just click on the language, it will be get translated. You can also visit my 3D model library, which I have created for FreeCAD part. It is free to use. All you have to go to my home page and click on this FreeCAD 3D models. And once you click on the tab, you will be directed to my 3D model library. This 3D model library is free to use. All you have to click on the image. You will be directed to the Google Drive, where you will get a FreeCAD part as well as 2D drawing. You can also visit my 2D drawing library. On my home page, you will see here the tab 2D drawings. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the 2D drawings, and here you can use this drawing for your projects, or you can use this drawing to practice the 3D modeling in a FreeCAD. If you like my method of teaching, you can also support me on ko-fi.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small donation will help me a lot, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I will create a new file, and if you see our part, so we will make our first sketch on a front plane. So we need to insert a body, and let's on the origin plane, and here we will select the front plane. So you can also select from the browser. So this is the front one, exit, and click on the sketch. So here first thing we will do, we will create two diameter of 78 and 90. Click on the circle tool and create a two circle. Select a smart dimension, give it 90, and the inner one is of 78. And now we will make this inner one as a construction, and here first we will create a diameter 90 with 10 mm thickness. So we will come out of it, and in a FreeCAD 1.0 we can also create this sketch, but I will create this whole at a later, which means that you can create a profile. If you create a circle here and give the diameter 50 to reduce our one step, so we can select this profile and say extrude. So here this hole we have made inside of this sketch. So now we will switch to the right view. It is showing the directions and the pre-filled solid, but we will keep it symmetric and say OK. So our base profile is created. Now we will save our part. This is exercise 9. Its drawing number is 9, so I'm saving with the same name. Click on save. Now we will create one of the cut and then we will use the polar pattern feature. So for this we will select the face and click on the sketch, and now here if you see this angle is not given here, and here is given is the 10 mm thickness at 4 side. So first thing we will do is to click on the project geometry, and we will select a line, and we will define the value 5 mm, and we will select a circle tool, create a circle and select a smart dimension and give it 78, and now I will select this point and diameter and add a coincidence constraint, and now we will then create one more line. If we zoom our drawing, so this seems to be vertical, but this seems to be in angle, but the angle is not given, so we will create a rough profile, and we will give the approximate angle. So we can also give the angle from the axis, so let's make it a 120, and let's constrain this diameter, this position, so let's make a 40. So our aim is here to give it a similar shape because dimension is missing, so here it is not taking, so let's try the horizontal dimension. Select this and this point, let's give the 10 mm. So more or less it is matching, but we will decrease this angle to 110. So this is a somewhat matching. Now we will select it and make it construction. We can also trim it, but I will keep the associativity with a construction diameter. So here to close my profile I will draw a 3-point arc, select this and this, and made it equal. Similarly I will also draw a 3-point arc at the top, select this and this, and made it equal. So we have a fully closed profile, but here in FreeCAD 1.1 construction geometry will be considered as a regular entity of a sketch, so we will make it a construction, select it, make it construction, come out of it. So we have this profile, we will select the sketch, go with extrude cut, and here we can say through all one side, or you can restrict it to the face, say okay. Now move to the front view, and we will select polar pattern feature, and here FreeCAD is automatically took the axis, and now we have to give the quantity. So 1 2 3 4 total 16 quantity, so in occurrences we will give the 16 and say okay. So you can see that our part is modeled, and if you want to give the face acts exact like part, then go to the part workbench and click on the appearances face, select the face, and in a custom appearances let's select this red color, say apply. So this is the not the color, so let's give this one, this one. So this is how you can also give the color if you want. Now we will create a very simple technical drawing. So save the part, saving documents fail, let's again save it. Yes, this time it is saved. Now we will move to the Tectra workbench, and here first thing we will do is to insert a template. Go to the ISO standard, and this is the very small part, so I will select the A4 portrait template, and I will select the body, click on the projection group, and I will select the top view and say OK. So this is the view got placed. Let's move it. So first lock the view and then move it with the parent view. So now let's give the dimensions. So first dimension we will give here, select this chord point, and end chord point, press Shift H for horizontal dimension, and add the diameter prefix, and now select this line, control Shift V key for the vertical dimensions. You can also select horizontal and vertical shortcut key here. Now we wanted to give the diameter, so we will give it. So here it is cut, so it is not taking, but 90 mm diameter we have given. Now let's select this and select a smart dimension. So here we will give the radial dimension, select a smart dimension, so R39 and R35, and let's try with a diameter dimension whether we can view it. So it is taking a radius, so no issue. So diameter is 90, radius is 45, and diameter 78, radius 38. Now let's insert a center mark. So select this and go to the center mark option, and here we will go here. You can extend the line if you want, select it, extend it. So you can see that center line is extending, but I am not interested in extending, so I will simple center mark I will give. And now define the bore diameter, select it. So bore diameter is of 50. So when you are placing the dimension, at that time drop the dimension outside of a body, and then you can place it to the inside. And now let's give this dimension, and it is not taking, so we will select a chord point, select this chord point and this chord point. So here we will decrease the precision to the 10. So this is the very simple model with a technical drawing. And now in a title block field you can edit the drawing title, component drawing created by me, Amar Patel, and here I will insert my logo. So I will go to the Tectra views, and here you will see the bitmap image. I will go to my images folder and enter my channel logo, and this is the very large, so I will change the scale to the 0.3. So this is how we have made a very simple model as well as a technical drawing in a FreeCAD. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.